This is the makeup trend that is going to be flying around in 2025. Let me know in the comment section which of these trends are you excited to try out. First up, skin like makeup. This is where your foundation and your lightweight foundation and your hydrating tint comes in to make your skin look like your skin. The focus is having a natural, breathable skin finishing. Think dewy, think healthy, breathable finishing when it comes to skin like makeup. Next makeup trend that will be going into 2025 is hybrid products. This is where skincare meets makeup. So your makeup has skincare benefits infused in it. This product is meant to nourish and enhance your skin while also providing cosmetics benefits. So for example, we have tinted moisturizer, CC cream, BB cream. For our third makeup trend that will be going into 2025, we have creams and liquid formulas. And these formulas are still winning when it comes to dewy and natural look. So if you want to look fresh, like you don't want to do so much to your makeup, then you want to incorporate liquid and creamy formulas like liquid blush, liquid highlighter, bronzers. They just melt into your skin really well, and you don't have to do so much as opposed to when it comes to powder formulas. This is definitely going into 2025. The next makeup trend I'll be going into 2025 with us is multi-use products. Let me simplify this. Multi-use product like cheek and lip tint saves time, saves space, and also saves money. For example, you can use a creamy lipstick as your glossy eyeshadow and also as your blush. You can also mix it with a clear gloss to give you a little bit of tint gloss on your lips. Fifth makeup trend that will be going into 2025 with us is long wearing and transfer proof makeup. Long wearing and transfer proof makeup, from lipstick and the foundation, that actually for busy working class and also for events that require you to do a lot of vigorous activities, and you don't want to worry about your makeup smearing, shifting, and all of that. So I believe long wearing and transfer proofed products are going to be going into 2025 with us. And considering the weather, the change in weather and season in different countries, definitely this type of product trend is definitely going to be around for a very, very long time. My next trend is the fluffy eyebrows, just to make our makeup look really nice and natural. Gone are those days where we make our eyebrows really boxy, but these days a lot of things has evolved. Makeup has really evolved, so people like their brows to look really natural and not overly done. When you have a messy eyebrow on, it just makes your look really soft and glam. So definitely fluffy eyebrows is going into 2025. Next trend I'll be going into 2025 is definitely subtle enhancement and spot concealing. Subtle enhancement like no makeup look, spot concealing. A lot of people now do not like to wear so much full-on beat makeup. They just want to conceal where they have concerns with their skin. I believe that a no makeup look or spot concealing makeup type of look would definitely be around for a very long time, and it is also going into 2025 with us. Lastly, playful bold lips. Red is not going out of style in no time. I mean, till the end of time, I don't think red will go out of style. And here you have it, guys. This is the trend that is going to be flying around in 2025. Let me know in the comment section which one are you excited to try out. Don't forget to follow me for more beauty tips like this. Don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you guys in 2025. Thank you so much, guys.